Today we're featuring a Honda CRV. It's a 2013. It's got 65,000 miles on it. All right, it's going to be a certified Honda. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, it's taffeta white in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. Start over here going down the driver's side. Everything looks really good. Down the driver's side of the vehicle. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Everything back here across the rear of the vehicle is in good shape. We'll make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks good there as well. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Door panels are in good shape. It's kind of got the cocoa, the dark brown, the light brown. Looks really good. Power locks, power windows. Beige cloth. Cloth looks good. Maybe just a little wear right here on the edge of the shoulder, the driver's seat. Everything else is in good shape. All right, it does come with 2 key fobs. Passenger seat looks like it's in good shape too. All right, it is equipped with sunroof. All right, automatic. There's your climate controls there. CD player. Got you a small display screen there. That's where your backup camera is going to be, and I'll show you that in just a second. It is equipped with steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage here. It's got 65,504. All right. I'll go ahead and engage the backup camera for you. Let me turn the lights on, kind of dim that down a little bit. There we go. Get a better shot of it there. All right. We've had the air conditioner going now for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold there, no problems. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Bear with me for 1 second. Go ahead and slide back out of here. Back seat door panels, good shape, two-tone. The cloth back here looks good. Problems. It's got the middle section that folds down, your cup holders. Right. Everything looks good. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the layout of the console and the dash. Everything looks like it's in great shape. Let's go back here. We'll give you a shot of the hatch back here in your storage area. All right, carpet's in good shape. Nice convenient shade right here. Okay, shade your groceries or when you go shopping, anything that you have back here in the back, you can cover that, which is a nice feature. All right, I'll step to the side here, give you some depth on your storage so you can see how much you're working with there. All right, plenty of storage. Really cool thing about these CRVs, all right, it's got your handle here, and that's actually going to lower the seats from the back. All right, now that we've got the back seats down, okay, you can see how it really opens it up back here. All right, that sunshade is super easy to take out. Just pop one side of it and it slides right out, so it's really going to open up all this back space for you. All right. Everything's good back there. Go ahead and give you a shot of the passenger seat up here up front. Give you another angle on that. And as you can see, cloth's in good shape. Door panel's good as well. Give you a shot of the wheels and tires here. 17-inch alloys. Alright. Brand new set of tires. See the depth there. Nothing wrong with those tires. They're in great shape. Alright, once again guys, this is a 2013 Honda CRV EX. 65,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. and thanks for watching the video.